understanding browser settings on an LG phone. The Google Chrome browser is the default browser application for Android devices. To view the settings for Chrome on your LG phone, first open the Chrome app. Then tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen and tap on Settings. In Settings, you can access settings for your Google account. Enable or disable syncing your Google account settings and history between the phone and your Google account, and access Google Services settings. Below those settings, you can choose your search engine, review, edit or delete saved passwords, modify payment methods for online shopping, and view or edit saved addresses for autofill. You can also check your privacy and security settings, which allows you to clear your browsing data, enable safe browsing, enable Do Not Track, plus other options. What's more, you can change notification settings for Chrome, change the theme to light or dark, modify the homepage, view accessibility settings, or review site and language settings. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.